In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the difference between containers and div blocks in Webflow. Understanding these differences will help you design web pages more efficiently and keep your content well organized and visually appealing. So let's dive right in and explore how these two elements work in Webflow. At its core, a container is technically just a div block. Both of these elements are designed to act as parent elements, meaning they're meant to hold other elements within them while designing your web pages. However, there's a crucial distinction between the two that affects how they function and how your content will be displayed. The main difference lies in their purpose and how they manage content within your layout. Containers are specifically tailored for centering and adjusting your page content, neatly confining it to the center. This feature is particularly useful when you want to maintain a clean, professional look for your site. It ensures that your content is always aligned and centered, saving you time and effort in manual adjustments. To illustrate, let's place a container and a div block side by side. You'll notice that the div block, straight out of the box, will extend to the full width of its parent section. This can lead to visual issues, making your page look uneven or messy if you don't manually adjust the size of the div block. It's an extra step that can be easily forgotten or miscalculated, leaving your design looking less than optimal. On the other hand, a container comes with preset characteristics that simplify the design process. It already includes margins on its sides and has a maximum width set at 940 pixels. This means that any element you place inside a container will automatically adopt a layout that looks more polished and cohesive. There's no need for additional tweaking to keep things in line, a perfect fit for ensuring a consistent and neat appearance across your site. In conclusion, while containers and div blocks in Webflow are indeed similar, with both serving as structural elements, they offer different levels of convenience and usability. Containers give you an out-of-the-box solution for centered content, with minimal adjustments needed, essentially acting as a more refined version of a div block. Conversely, if you want full control over every aspect of your design, and don't mind putting in some additional work to adjust the layout manually, using a bare-bones div block might be the approach for you. Whether you're just starting with Webflow or refining your design skills, knowing when to use a container versus a div block can enhance your workflow and the overall look of your website. Keep experimenting with them, and soon you'll find yourself creating beautifully structured and centered content with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!